How you doing? We got here is a 2,500 square foot house. We've got a breezeway, we've got a shop. We here got a pretty good sized fireplace, one of the bigger ones I've seen. It's a 42-inch fireplace. We got 11-foot ceilings here in the living room and in the kitchen area. And let's take you through the house. Here's the utility room. Got a washer, dryer. Got a stand-up freezer right here. Attic ladder, go up into the attic. It's all plywood all the way around, up in the attic. Got your island here, bar top, of course. It's gonna have rock on the front of the island there. We got, we have regular sized cabinets as far as going up 7 foot. The homeowner didn't want all that space from the 7 foot all the way up to the ceiling, so we decided to go 8 foot with the cabinets and do a fur down to the top of the cabinets. Got a bedroom here, good sized bedroom, good sized closet. Over here we got just another little closet for kitchen stuff, for your brooms and stuff like that. Here's another bedroom. We got another, this is a bigger closet. It's a little more of a walk-in closet here for this bedroom. We got a bath over here, full bath. We have a tub right in here. Got your commode, got your sink, of course your light fixtures. And over here in this corner, we got another bedroom. So this is a 4-bedroom house, 3 regular sized bedrooms and a master bedroom. As you can see, the plywood up all the way around, starting from here, going back towards the back of the house. And here's walking our way to the master. We got a half bath, got a commode, sink. We got some shelving right in here. We got another shelving, some shelves in here, a little closet area. This is the master bathroom, or master bedroom, sorry. We got a nook over here, this area. And then we got another little closet over here. And then we got the master bathroom coming up over here. Got 2 vanities here. Got a linen cabinet right here going up. We did the same thing with the fur down in here. She didn't want nothing above it, no collecting dust. Got a walk-in shower. It's got a rain, this one's got a rain head and a regular shower head. It's gonna have a niche right in here. It's gonna have a bench seat running across here. And then we got another little area for the commode with the door. And in here we got, they wanted to kind of hurricane proof their area in the house, which they did the master closet. So we did 3/4 inch plywood all the way on the inside, all the walls. We haven't done that back wall yet because we still got to insulate. We did 3/4 on the ceiling and 3/4 on top in the attic on this closet here. So it's a pretty solid room. And the homeowners have their own back door. Back here we're going to have a little outdoor kitchen area. It's going to have the refrigerator, sink right about in here. It's going to be rocked, made out of rock, same stone that's going on the back here. Here we got your breezeway, pretty good size area, leading from the front porch all the way to the back porch. And here we got a nice big shop. I would turn the light on, but it's not hooked up yet. We got a office, man cave room here. It's going to take 3/4 plywood on the outside, inside, and on top. It's got a window unit for the AC. It's going to have some cabinets in here. And so it's a good sized room too. Then we got a half bath here. It's going to take 3/4 plywood also, inside, outside, ceiling, top, for storage up on top. Got a commode there. They wanted the sink on the outside, which we're going to put here instead of on the inside there, give them some more room in there.
So what's the next phase of the build process?
Next phase is going to be after the electricians get out on Monday or Tuesday. This will be the latest day that they'll be here. We're going to start cleaning up the floors, not in the shop, but in the house. We're going to clean up the floors and get them ready for staining. It's about a week process as far as getting them clean, getting them stained, getting them covered up so they don't get scratched up. And After we get the staining done, then we can get the insulation guys here, insulate the house and inside the shop. They're gonna insulate the shop. The shop's gonna take plywood all on the inside, 8 foot up high. We'll get moving on it next week. I'm not Eric Cortina.
But we are Texas.
But we are Texas Barndominiums. I'm too good looking.